What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be making my client a console table, also a mirror. For this mirror today it's a bit complicated, but I'm going to be starting with the first frame. This is the frame that I'm going to place the mirror in, and the rest of the frames that I'm going to be making are for the decoration. So as you can see, I've started by cutting the angles at 45 degrees. As I said in my previous videos, I usually use this box here to cut my frames because it cuts accurate angles. So now here I'm just cutting the edges because it's a rectangular mirror. So after that I'm going to be joining them. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for always coming back and watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. Continue with the same spirit by liking our videos and commenting. Don't forget to share with your friends and family so that YouTube can recommend the videos to more and more people, and our channel gets more subscribers so that we can grow all together. And this will definitely motivate us to make more videos like this and more interesting videos that we'll enjoy watching, where you get to learn one or two from us. So now for the corners, I'm going to be using this super glue, because for this super glue the corners will stay firm. And also I'm going to be using this staple gun that you see on the floor. I'm going to staple the corners so that the corners will be much stronger. But as the more I put these pieces together, the more the frame will be stronger. So if you ask me if the frame is strong, yeah, it's very strong and durable because of the staples and also the super glue. Now for the mirror, I'm going to be using this mirror cutter to cut the mirror into sizes, or into size, so that it can fit the frame that I've already made. So now here you just need to measure accurately so that when you cut the mirror, you cut it in the right measurements. Anyway, if this kind of content interests you, or this is the kind of videos that you like, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Yeah, don't forget to like this video. Make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe and comment and share. Yeah, so watch the video till the end so that you fully understand all the steps I did follow, all the materials that I did use in this video. In case of anything you need to ask, anything you haven't understood, anything, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. So now enjoy the video and tell me what you think about this setup, the final reveal that we'll see later on. Tell me what you think about it. Now here I'm just showing you how I did made this console table, but there is a full video where I did explain everything on how I made this console table. But now here I did make the frame. Also I did spray paint it gold, and here I was waiting for it to dry, and after it dried I used silicone glue and also some hot glue so that it can hold the mirror that I was going to be using on top of this console. It will hold it as the silicone glue dries, because silicone glue will take some time to dry. Yeah.